Hi guys. So if you have never worked on a Windows Linux machine, but pretty much everybody has seen a Windows machine. And in a Windows machine, this is what things look like. But ultimately, there is a hard drive in the system, and that's presented by this OS-C colon. That's like the base hard drive where all your stuff is getting stored. Okay, so looking at an other way from the Linux point of view, basically I'm representing that hard drive just as this box, okay? And this box, which basically is the hard disk, which contains everything in Linux system, it's called a slash, okay? Like it's just represented by a slash. That just know that for now, okay? Then when the system gets installed, there's going to be all kinds of files that actually constitute the operating system. So this is going to be divided, like this is going to have a section where all the system files sit. Okay, but after that, you are going to, I mean, the machine is built for you, so you are going to need space where you can put your stuff, right? And this folder on a Linux machine is called a home folder. All right. So now this home folder, a Unix machine typically is used by multiple people. And so there has to be separation. And multiple people using this machine all need their own separate area. So for all these people, we're going to create their own containers or like work areas. And this is basically for Roger, this is for Johnny, this is for Joe, and this is for Lisa. And the way this gets represented is slash home slash Joe. Like that will be Joe's home directory. Okay, and now Joe can create more directories that he can work in. Okay, and directory is basically a container, logical container. These are all logical containers. They don't exist. uh, I mean, they don't have physical existence, but in these containers we put files, and those files are physical. The main outermost box is physical, the files are physical, but the rest of this is just logical structures to organize stuff. And so let's look at that on how it actually looks on the operating system or a Linux machine.